What happened to you? You need to do something about this.
I know, but I don't have time to go to the gym.
Really?
I got kids now. It's not so easy.
That's not true.
Not my 20s. I work long hours. I'll do it later. When I get
Stop
a break,
it.
I can't afford
Stop
to train
it.
next year.
Enough!
Take it one day at a time. Next week, next month, next year is coming whether you like it or not. Where are you gonna be? Now get up. Keep going. You don't have time for the gym? The world is your gym. Gravity, your weights. Anywhere, your treadmill. Creativity, your machine. You got this. You are your personal trainer. If you can do this, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Nothing can stop you now. Nothing.